Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore EVDC contact issues with cleaning and inspection steps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring the EVDC system is powered off for safety. Disconnect any power supply to the device. Remove the cover of the EVDC unit to access the internal components. Inspect the electrical contacts for any signs of corrosion or damage. Use a cleaning solution suitable for electronic components. Dampen a lint-free cloth with the cleaning solution. Gently wipe the contacts to remove any buildup or residue. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the contacts. Check the connector pins for proper alignment. If pins are bent, carefully straighten them using a non-conductive tool. Once cleaned, allow the contacts to dry completely. Inspect for any loose connections or wires that may need reattachment. Reconnect any loose wires securely. Replace the cover of the EVDC unit carefully. Reattach the power supply to the device. Power on the EVDC system and monitor for improvements. Test the functionality to ensure the contact issues have been resolved. Document any changes or improvements observed during the testing phase. Consider scheduling regular maintenance checks to prevent future issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.